Tom, why are you taking your car apart?
Gonna look like a Honda in a second.
A Honda?
Yeah, I want to look like a Honda. So after this, I'm gonna put a Honda badge on it, and you know, doing Honda things.
No, for real, he's putting strobes for the, you watch out. Putting strobe for the top light, and then we're spray painting that red. Like Kyle's ST, the top is red, so it's gonna look better. Little mods, Liz Tyler. Tyler the electrician, yo. Bro, what is he doing? It's a V6!
Oh, you just pry that. It's plastic. No, it's just plastic.
So just pull it?
Yeah, pry from the top. Go from, yeah.
Yo, sun's out, guns out.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, I'm breaking Tom's car, let's go.
Alright, I think the wires are right here. Doing a good job.
No.
Yeah, dude.
See more.
Shout out to my dad and Tyler.
Right, so right now.
Doing a good job.
Step on it again.
It's on, I'm on.
He's just holding on it.
Anything. What?
Birthday party. Everyone's spamming the horn. Dude, there's no calling back, yo. Oh, yo!
You have the thing in or no? Is that?
Yeah, it's the module.
Yeah. Should be good.
Step off the brake.
Yeah, I'm on.
Let's see if the car starts after.
I don't pop a fuse.
Dude, they got it.
Dude,
You didn't do anything. All you did is step on the brake.
And cut a wire.
Dude, I don't know. Why are you
500 bucks every hour.
It wasn't even an hour. It was like 20 minutes.
Okay, so divided by 5, so it's what, like $120 you owe him? Pay up. Oh, he's poor. It's just like, yeah, there you go.
All right, we sent you the bill.
Oh, yeah.
How much?
$150.
That is, thank you.
Honda!
Yeah, I would have laughed if it didn't work.
Yeah. It's hard to see in the sun, but it's on.
It looks cool.
Yeah.
It's
You
working.
want to step on it? I didn't see it.
I want to step on it.
Oh, it looks awesome. That looks fantastic.
New Xbox profile picture.
Yeah, yo, take a picture of this. Did I?
There's a dent right there! You just left a dent! There's 2 fucking dents!
Dude, Tom, lick my nuts.
Right here? Yeah, right here. Too.
Yo, lick my nuts.
Look his nuts.
And there's another one right here! Fuck, there's a dent right there too! It's right there, dude.
Alright, you're tripping, dog. It is not.
I got it right here.
What the fuck is this bullshit? Oh, that me vac.
Oh, it's not Tom. I don't think that's Tom.
We're gonna 2-step and race V6s.
Can we get a ruler check to see if that's 6 feet?
Is that a 6-speed?
No.
All right, clear the way. All right, gas on the way.
Congrats on the new car.
Gapped a V6, dog.
You gapped a V6 Dodge.
I think I hit 5 pounds of boost. Get your ass here. Tom says he's gonna walk your ass in this thing.
Oh.
Walk you, put bus lengths on you.
Oh shit!
Is that a Tommy?
All right, so what's the beef?
Alright, so let's talk about it real quick.
All right, wait for him to go around. It's a little loud.
Good getting gas.
Jack's here.
I'll race him again.
All right, so what's up? You beat Jack.
But that has nothing to do with anything, alright? So let's just rewind. Ever since I bought this thing, David has been calling me out. He's like, bro, why do you like it? I'll gap you. I have an STI. this, that. All right. So I said, all right, David, let's race. So last time when we went out and I raced him, he said, I don't have enough gas. Now I said, all right, I'm free. I'm on Route 9.
Yeah, you
by
just
your house.
FaceTimed him.
Yeah.
He's playing Forza.
And he doesn't want to come out. What's going on?
Why don't
here?
you want to race in real life, dog? Come on.
Oh, how'd it go?
I paid.
That's what he's saying.
Oh, yo! David Deere! Race him, bro! Race him! Second 40 on Route 9 right now.
Oh, shit!
Oh, he's pissed, bro. Yo, he's pissed. He's pissed. He's pissed.
Oh, shit.
Jack, what?
Oh, do you know how many small imperfections are on this car? That's the beginning of it, not to mine. Just zoom in over here. Stand 10 feet away, it looks good. So.
I'm recording.
Are you ready to record this? Here, let me hold it.
You gotta get.
Wait, why do you ask?
Yeah, you're good. Yo, Dave, what's going down?
I don't know. Hopefully I'm shutting this kid up.
Oh boy, Dave's trying to
Okay.
shut Tom up.
Okay, but what happens if he does beat you? Then there's probably something wrong with my car. Like,
All right, Tom, again, both. Yo, Jack, bro, what's going on, dog? What's going down tonight, bro?
Said part 2, maybe. Who
Part
knows?
2, yo, part 2. Yo, Tom with the strobe, dog.
It's not working. Is it actually not working?
No, it is, it is. All right, dog, you ready, bro? You got the GoPro mounted,
Puto.
POV.
$30! Come on!
What happened?
So on the GoPro, you guys will see it, but I got him by half a car on Route 9, dude, with the fucking WRX versus the STI.
You got him.
Man, I'm telling you.
The 5-speed that could, yo. What is
Got a
that?
40 shot in the back seat.
Oh, your story, dog?
You gotta talk to you.
All right, let's see, let's see.
no, but fucking dude, as soon as I shifted into third, look, come look at my access port. That is not good. 4.2 feedback knock. I told Jack the other day too, when I've been like shifting hard and I get on it, it starts knocking heavy.
Why?
I don't know, but that's a lot of knock.
I think it's the 5.
What's average?
And it's like, it's okay if you get like a little bit of knock. The average is like 1.4, 1.8.
Oh,
That's the
boy.
thing.
But, like,
you lose that.
It's okay to get a little bit of that when you're like not in boost, but when you're in boost, you definitely don't want to be knocking it. And I was like fucking full throttle.
Yeah.
Dude, I got him.
You got him? Yo, do the strobes. It's gonna look fire in the night. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Oh, you do it. I'll record it.
Dude, when I'm driving, but there's someone right on my ass. I did it and backed up. I'm not
Good.
kidding.
Fire.
Nice.
Yeah, you record
Is
it.
that
Yo.
elote?
Yeah, dude, people slow down. I saw on
Yeah.
your U-turn.
You
They
saw?
back up.
Oh.
Yeah.
I want to see it, dude. Dude, that looks so good. Do it one more time. One more. Oh, that looks sick. That looks awesome.
So
Dude, I guess
the
it's,
advantage that you got over him is those lights. Yeah, 300 pounds. You're lighter.
But dude, look at the badge. Look at the badge. Look at the badge. Look at the badge.
That's a WRX. Guys, if you think this is an STI,
It's a fucking WRX.
it's a WRX. It's a 5-speed.
It's a small, smaller intercoolers.
Yeah. This is a 20. They're both 2011s. Sedan, STI. He's stage 2, right?
Downpipe, stage 1 with
Mods. Let's go over the mods real
Yeah.
quick. Tom has a Q300 NVIDIA catback, no downpipe, and then he has a
Cobb.
short ram Cobb intake, and that's it. And he has the Cobb axis port on stage 1.
stage 1. and I hit a peak of 16
Pounds of booze.
6.9.
Yeah, around there. David.
He hits 18 and a half.
He hits
That's
18
nice,
and a
too.
half.
I'm supposed to hit 19.5.
You're supposed to hit 19.5? What do you have done? You what?
It's supposed to
Intake?
hit 19.5, but
Intake, high flow cat downpipe,
yeah, the Cobb catted, but
and then NVIDIA what exhaust?
yeah, Q300.
Yeah,
Q300?
do the thumbnail right here. Them sitting next to each other.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a thumbnail real quick. So we're at Wawa.
Say, look,
That's after the second run. The second run,
fine, good.
Tom started recording mid-run. I told him he should have started at the light, but
It's the same
he
thing as the
listened.
first
It's the
one.
same
Let me-
time.
It was literally the same thing. as the
So
first one.
David was like right about
here.
yeah. So
His front bumper is right here.
so half a car length,
Yeah.
which is impressive for a WRX. And we told you the
basically
mods, and it's basically stock. So yeah, I guess you could say factory freak,
Oh, no,
somewhat.
I guess.
I hope you
If I put
guys
that, people are gonna call me out, but it's fine. Call me out. It's stock. So
make
if you
sure to
wanna
go
race a stock,
follow it on Instagram. If you want to hate him in the comments, go hate him. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon.
See you guys.